it's Rhonda from Image Virgin Hair Shop. It's one of those wash and go wigs, okay? And sometimes you just want something short, you want something sassy. Tell you the specs of this hair. We call a T-lace. The comb in the back, 2 combs on the side. Also have these adjustable straps that you can pull and you can adjust to fit the size of your head. We're gonna cut the lace. When it comes to cutting the lace, we can pre-cut it for you. The hairline is not just straight across. You want it to be a little jagged. Best way to do it, to cut in the center. Stop right before that hair starts and go from the center out to the corners. Don't be intimidated by lace. I know you done seen some bad lace wearers. I don't want to look like that. And this right here is my lace melt band, okay? Remember, you have those adjustable straps. Cute. Oh, sexy, sexy. Y'all better get you one of these. Oh, this is 100% Cambodian human hair. Only maintenance you need to do to this wig is to wash it, and these curls come right back. Ooh, this band. Oh, I'm so excited. Looks. This is absolutely impressive. And look, you see that? You're not gonna find this anywhere, but except for Image Virgin Hair Shop, because we only sell grown woman wigs, okay? You're going to absolutely love this wig, y'all. This is gorgeous. Look at one of the easiest wigs I've ever put on in my life. Who doesn't love a good natural wash and go wig? Let's see what these curls do when they are wet. So you can see the diversity. I was set it the night before. Foaming wrap lotion. Okay. And it's like this all over, okay? Look at there. You can't tell me girls with curls don't have more fun. Look how natural this is, okay? All I did was spray water, okay? But look at that. What are y'all talking about? It's a cute little style to put on, take off. Put on, take off. Oh, do you like it wet or do you like the dry? Once it dries, you can just do it with your fingers. It's so simple. You're gonna love it.